Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use our Steam wallets for payments. Okay, so it's just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to visit or open our Steam application. So after that guys, okay, we need to actually go to our this one at the upper right corner here. Just click that one and view my wallet. Okay, click that one. So as you can see here, it says that add funds to your Steam wallet. So we just need to add a funds here for us to use our Steam wallet for our payments. Okay, just click that add funds. And here guys, you can choose whatever you wanted. So PayPal is not yet available at this moment or in our country. So you can choose MasterCard, Visa, or whatever you wanted. So let's ask MasterCard. So after that guys, you just have to fill these blank spaces here and click continue. And after that guys, um you will be able to add some funds on your wallet here, and it will reflect here in current wallet balance. So after that guys, adding a fund, you can use that money to buy some games here on Steam. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.